Good evening, guys, and welcome to the success story of Mr. Shubam Sharma. So he's with us. So we'll just ask him what are his experiences? How did he just crack the job and all? So at first and foremost, could you please introduce yourself, Shubam?
Yeah, sure, Vamsi. And first of all, I want to thank you everyone and thank you 360 Digit MG to give me this platform to learn so many things. And hi guys, my name is Shubham Sharma and I have done my uh, graduation in BSc Math Honors in 2019. And after that, I have done post-graduation program from 360 Digit MG. And there I have learned so many things. And I'm basically from Patna, Nalanda district, and currently working as machine learning engineer at Dhiomics Analytics.
That's great. That's great. Could you please introduce about the company which you have been gone through? Like, what were the uh, topics they have been asked? Like, how many interviews did you cross to just join the company and all?
Hmm. Okay, first we will start from my company. Actually, this company is quite amazing, and they are working in every sector. Like they are working in online automation of robotics, and online. Like they are working with Zomato, they are working with Swiggy, and they're working with Ola, Nika. They're working in a different sector also. Pharmacy, okay, so basically it's quite good a good company, and there they have using different kinds of tools whatever the required. Basically it's not fixed. If you are a data scientist, you just don't need to learn only one thing. You have to learn always new tools whatever it is coming and going. So they are working with a lots of tools, and there is lots of people that will be helpful for me, and like they will whenever I will get any hurdle or any problem to solve any problem, there will be some people. Okay, so uh, uh, they will give me help. They will help me also, and for that one, and there I'm learning so many things. And for the interview, before that, I have given around, I guess not that much, but this was my second or third interview, I guess. Okay,
That's
before
great.
this one, I was also selected in some other means I got the offer later from other company also, two or three. Then I have decided to I need to join this company. I have done lots of research and which one I should go with. So I have joined Dhiomics Analytics.
That's great. That's great, Shubham. So,
Mm.
what about the role? So now you have been joined as a machine learning scientist, right?
Yeah,
So,
right.
what were the other roles they have been offered you? They have directly only offered the machine learning scientist, or they have been also offered data scientist or any other roles to you?
Yeah, so I initially I told them like I will join as a data scientist, but there I have got a offer later as a machine associate data scientist also, and for other company, and for this one I got the machine learning engineer. So machine learning engineer is like basically work as a data scientist also, but they work as a like on big data. They're just not focused on the machine learning concept. They're focused in all over every sector, like handling the data or how to do pipelining and how to handle big data, like so many things are there. So they have offered me as a data analyst also. There was a company, they have given the offer like as data analyst, but I have joined as a machine learning engineer because right now this machine learning engineer is like this role is booming. Everywhere we have lots of data in each company. Actually we have that much data that company don't know what to do with that data. So for that, how to get insights from their data, what to do with those data, how to make business with those data, how to make profit with this data. This is the thing of machine learning engineer. So that's why I have joined as a machine learning engineer.
Okay,
And currently, like I'm working on a quite amazing projects. So I'll explain you that one also. Yeah.
that's great. So you have before you have been told us that you have in your hand there were 3 to 4 offers, right? So
Right.
why
Yeah.
did you pick? Why did you pick this organization? Like, what were the advantages of
Mhm.
picking them and all?
Right. So, before that, what I have done, I have done research of each company, which one I should go, and which one is good for my career, which one is like secure for me. So, for according to all the on an average, this company is good, and the plus point is this: their clients, they are working in a different kinds of sector, not just only one sector. They are working in a different kind of sector. So that attracted me a lot for that one. So I have gone through this company.
That's great. That's great. So how did you apply this company?
Okay, so like how did I apply? So basically what happened is one of our classmate from 360 digit mg, he was working there, right? And I got connection from the 360 digit mg with the Sambit. That guy name is Sambit, and he helped me to refer my resume, and he shared my resume with his HR, and then HR have contacted me, shared my interview, scheduled my interview, sorry. And then after that I have gone through 2 or 3 interview round. First one was the coding round, and the second was the technical round, and then HR round. So in the HR round, they have also asked some technical question. So that's the way I have joined this company.
Okay, that's fine. So could you tell me across your education and all, like
Sorry.
graduation?
Yeah, basically, I'm from non-technical but background. I don't have any experience of coding and anything before that, before joining 360 digit mg. And after this joining, like I first I was in the in Bernie sir classes, and there I have started learning the basic concept of the Python. But before joining 360 digit mg, I have done some research. Should I join this? Because I was non-technical, from non-technical background. Should I join this? There was lots of questions going in my mind that time. So I have gone through some YouTube video of 360 digit mg. They have provided basic and a good structural way of what is the scope, what tools we need to learn. So I have gone through those things, and then I have prepared myself like, yeah, right, this is the good way. And basically Python, generally Python, I love Python actually. So Python is like it's combination of maths and English. Because in the whenever you are writing the code, it's the logic will be, you have to write in the English. But the concept is always mathematical. There, what to do, how to handle the data, how to play with the data, those are mathematical concepts. If you are able to think like what you need to do, you can do it in Python. There is lots of way. There will be help, like you can do Google's also to get help. But the basic concept, you just need to learn the basic concept, like to understand what the code can do, how many types of code are, like how many data types are there in Python, everything. The basic in the 360 digit mg, they are also providing the basic for Python, right? So that
Yes,
is
yes.
quite good. And everyone should take that session and complete those questions, and again solve, write those code. Don't copy and paste, just write those code in your PC, in a Spider or Jupyter Notebook or Google
Jupyter.
Colab, whatever the IDE you are using, you have to write it there, and write there, and just go with the flow. They will give you everything what you need to learn. You have to just learn it and give you 100% focus there.
As a non-technical person, so how
Mhm.
long did it took to just digest the like what were the data types, what are the variables, like to know exact what is coding?
Yeah, basically in the starting, it was quite hard. I was trying to learn how to do these things, how to get all these things, but it was so amazing. Even after classes, I was using all. I was trying to solve always some basic questions, and I was trying to learn new things. And the data types, it was easy. Data type, actually, it was easy to understand the data type. This is the data type. You can segregate it. It is quite easy. But when you do the coding, how to do the coding, how to make your code is like in a structural way. You just don't need to write the code, you just need to write the code in a structural way, that if you are writing any number and if you are passing a number in anywhere in a loop or anywhere, you sometime you have to assign a name, and if you want to use that number again and again, you have to assign as a variable. So like that, there's so many things. And in the starting, it take around me to understand everything around I can tell you max 10 days or 20 days.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Hmm.
So, did you work out on any projects in the 360 DTM?
Yeah, the projects, yeah, that is the important point for everyone. I'm suggesting you guys, if you are doing anything, like if you are doing any program in 360 digit mg or course, please go with the project and give your 100% in those projects. Because like in the classroom, you are learning the uh, you are not doing their practical that time, you are doing some basic to all the machine learning or like models, like regression or classification models or what deep learning models. But in the project, you will really use to learn all these things, how to improve that model, how to not just modeling, how to handle the model, how to take the data, how to clean the data, how make your on code, how to do deployment, everything. So in the 360 like there I have done three or four project. The first one project was I was like I got a different kind of you can say it was a different kind of journey simply. And the first one I have done the ATS, applicant tracking system. There I have built if you want I can explain you that one also, like about the project.
So, after completing your graduation,
Hmm.
why you have been chosen this data science? Why not you have been chosen like machine learning, data science, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, exactly. Could you please explain why you have been chosen particular? Is there any particular reason for that?
uh, After before graduation, I was not thinking about anything. I was just doing my graduation, what to do in next one. I was not thinking. Then my sister, she is in IT sector, and she is working as a senior Java developer. And he told me to go with this one, this is the future. Actually, this is, she told me, this is the future, and just take a look. If you are interested, you can join it. So she shared me some details and the list of the institution in the Hyderabad, in Bangalore, so where I should go, and for machine data scientist. So I have done research first in the starting 1 month. I have gone through all the code, basic code. I have written a code by my all on ATM code, how ATMs are worked. So I have written a code for my own, and then I think like this is good thing I should learn. And this is like it is not just for work, it is for like if you are if you do like your work, then you should join anything, right? Because you are going to spend around 30 or 40 years in this
In the
sector.
same domain,
So
same domain. Yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah. So you choose your work wisely. If you are want to give, just not for the money and not for like your responsibility, choose it like whatever you like. I like do coding, I like do doing research, and I like do exploring new things. So that's why I have chosen this one.
That's good. Great, great, Shubham. And did you have? Are you completed with your internship program in 360 DTM?
Yeah, internship program, basically what we think, in the starting, like we have to learn only coding, machine learning concept, all the model, sorry, all the model, and Tableau, Power BI, this those tools. No, it's not that much important. It is important, but the important point is how you are explaining those things, how you can communicate with your team members, how to uh, means how to do even mail. You have to do mail, right? So there is
Yes.
so many things, like we have to learn it from in as an intern. I was working as intern in the starting at Innodatatics, and there I have learned so many things. Communication skill is important, and your explanation, how you are explaining your work, how you are explaining your anything, whatever you are doing to your senior, how to how to go with the work culture simply. So there I have learned so many things, like work culture, how. And I want to thank Bindu there. So she helped me a lot there, and Sarah sir also, Barney. uh, Thanks to everyone.
Uh, so was this internship program and the projects which you have done, you have told us that you have been gone with four projects, right?
Yeah.
Was that helpful to your placements process?
Yeah, that was so helpful because if you have done any project there, like in the interview they will ask you like which project you have done, and if you have done, they will ask you all over the question from your project directly. They will not go randomly anywhere, and like it's a huge area. Data center is just not limited to one sector. It's like it's there is no limit in data science. So if you have given them a project, like I have done this project, and they will simply ask you the question for the limited area, this area. So it will be helpful for you to, like, if you have done that project really like 100%, your focus should be there in your project. You have to like, learn everything whatever you are doing in that project, and your team member also. And then after all those things, you know what you have done, and just you need to explain those things in interview. That will be so easy then.
Uh, how this 360 team have been motivated you?
Okay, for the motivation, that like every day whenever I watch those videos, right, recorded videos, uh, I got motivation every time. Like, this is the sector, this is the future. Like, we have to go through this. And like, it's learning thing. You think you have to improve yourself day by day. So just go with those videos, whatever they are providing there in the course, and you will get motivated, because you whenever you are watching those videos, you will learn new things. You will think in a different way again and again, simply.
Uh, so what were the addition? Is there any need of any additional skills to join these kind of courses? Or as you have been came from a non-technical background, which means you
Hmm.
don't have an idea regarding like Python or what were the codes and all, right? So
Hmm.
like that, any skills required to join these courses?
uh, any skills, there is lots of skills required, but the most important thing is like your focus. What you are going to do, you have to focus on that one. Your patience, and the main mantra of success is like practice, practice, and practice. Simple, as Bernie said.
So how many what were the rounds you have gone across in your shorter term process in HR round? You have been 2 to 3 rounds, right? What were the
Yeah.
questions? How were the questions? Difficulty level of the questions there?
Yeah, so in the first round, that was like it was like aptitude test, and they have asked me some maths question, English question, and reasoning question. That was easy, not that was tough for me, because I have done the BSc math honors. So the maths and reasoning question was easy, English was also easy. And then
Aptitude test.
yeah, aptitude test, right. Sorry. And the second one is like the technical round. In the technical round, they have asked me my project question, what I have done in the previous company, the project's all about, and the coding. They have checked my coding on Python, and they have asked me question related to machine learning concept, and they have asked me the SQL question also. Some query to They have given me some question to write a query for on SQL. So this is the basic question, and not that much high. You have to go with the road. Just don't think like you have to learn everything in depth. You have to learn everything. Just whatever they are providing, just learn it and practice. Start taking interviews. Give your CVs to your like active on LinkedIn simply everywhere, and apply from the first day. Whenever you join in 360 digit MD, and that day you need to apply on that day, so you will know what the question they are asking, and then you will understand yourself like where you should go with that, like which question you should focus on, and what the approach should be your, like all those things.
So, any suggestions from your side to the upcoming new aspirants to data science background?
Yeah, definitely. Like, for the suggestion, I would like to tell everyone, please, whenever you are uh, taking the session, right, make short note that time. Make short note that time, and like then you can focus on your class. Like whenever you are Yeah. Okay. Sorry, guys. There was some network issue. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I think
So
there
for
was
the
a
new,
power.
yeah, yeah. So the suggestion is like whenever you are taking the session, right, you need to make short note that time, so you can focus on the classroom, because nowadays everyone is using yeah. So okay, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yes.
I don't know what is happening. There's some network issue from my side.
Okay.
Okay, so
No
yeah.
problem.
Yeah, so basically focus on your classroom, go through recorded video, and do your work in the whenever you are doing any project, that you should focus on your project also. And if you are getting chance to do internship there, please go with that, and start taking interview from the first day. That's all. This is the simple and easiest way to get a job in easiest way. Simple.
Thank you so much, Shubham, for those inputs which have been given from your side. Uh, and all the very best for your future upcoming projects and all. So, thank you, Shubham. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you guys, thank you everyone. Bye bye.